Hello and welcome back to Alina's Kitchen, where today, as you can see, I am not actually in my kitchen. I am in the beautiful town of Chico, but back at home, my mom has made some delicious cookies and I will be voiceovering them. And she actually sent me up a care package and I have not been able to stop eating them. They are so tasty. They are chocolate chip, peanut butter, oatmeal cookies, and I can't wait to see what you think. In a large bowl, beat 1 cup or 2 sticks of room temperature butter on medium-high speed until smooth. This takes about 1 minute. Now mix in 1 cup of sugar, and depending on how sweet you want your cookie, you can add half a cup to 1 cup of packed brown sugar. I used a cup because I like them nice and sweet. After 2 minutes, your mixture should be creamy, so you can add in 2 room temperature eggs. I don't think mine were completely room temperature and the cookie still tasted great, so this step is optional. Time for 1 1/3 cups of peanut butter, or any nut butter of your choice. And the final wet ingredient will be 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Beat everything on high speed for about 1 minute, and don't forget to scrape down the sides as needed to ensure everything is getting combined. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk together before adding them to the wet ingredients and mix on low speed until combined. In a separate bowl, add 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 cup of white chocolate chips, 1 cup of chopped walnuts or pecans, and finally half a cup of coconut flakes. Give everything a mix together and then add it to your peanut butter mixture. This is a really big batch of cookies, so what I like to do is freeze them. I roll them out and put them on a baking sheet without them touching because you don't want them to stick. And you can place them in the freezer, and then once they're nice and cold, you can just put them in a Ziploc bag and have a cookie whenever you want one. Roll the cookie dough into the size you would like your cookie to be and place it on a greased baking sheet. I used avocado oil, but you can use butter or a silicone baking mat. Once you have your cookies on the baking sheet with room to grow, about 3 inches apart, press them down with a fork to give them that classic peanut butter cookie look. Next, I bake my cookie at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until lightly browned on the sides. The centers will still look quite soft. Next, remove from the oven and allow to cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Or, if you're like me, I just have them when they're nice and hot. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and please let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to share it with a friend. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.